Eaton's B-Line Series KwikSplice Cable Channel is designed to help speed installation, reduce complexity, improve versatility, and maximize your profit. KwikSplice Cable Channel features an innovative dovetail profile and 2-bolt splice system. It's fast and easy to install. Simply slide the splice into place and lock down with just 2 bolts. The system includes straight section in 3 channel sizes in 10-foot, 12-foot, and 20-foot lengths, as well as fittings and accessories that feature pre-assembled components. Additionally, the KwikSplice Cable Channel can be cut and spliced at any point along the channel to help reduce job site complexity. KwikSplice Cable Channel features a robust engineered design that's ideal for use in data centers, commercial and institutional buildings, healthcare and hospitals, and manufacturing facilities. Reducing the quantity of supports on a cable tray project can often produce savings that offset the cost of the cable management system altogether. NEMA VE2 states that a straight section support span should not exceed the straight section length. Therefore, to eliminate supports, one option is to increase the length of cable channel. The KwikSplice Cable Channel comes in 20-foot spans requiring fewer supports than traditional cable channel or conduit solutions. For example, transitioning from 10-foot spans to 20-foot spans reduces supports by 50%. Additionally, our heavy-duty expansion splice plate helps further eliminate supports at the joint location. By utilizing the KwikSplice Cable Channel system, you can really start to see savings add up. So consider Eaton's B-Line Series KwikSplice Cable Channel on your next project to increase the speed of installation, reduce job site complexity, and maximize the return on your investment.